Now let us continue the preparation of haloalkanes from hydrocarbons. I have already discussed the preparation of haloalkane from alkane. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss the preparation of haloalkane from alkene. कि आप अल्कीन से कैसे हेलोअल्केन बनाओगे। आपको याद होगा ये रिएक्शन आप क्लास 11th में भी पढ़े हैं। यू नो मार्कोनिकॉफ एडिशन, यू नो पेरोक्साइड इफेक्ट। I hope all of you know. So how we can prepare haloalkane from alkene? When addition of hydrogen halide, that is HH, such as your HCl, HBr or your HI. When addition of hydrogen halide takes place to an alkene, then the product formed is haloalkane. Now, if we observe alkene, you know alkene is of two types. One is your symmetrical alkene and another is your unsymmetrical. For example, if I write CH3, CH double bond CH, CH3, this is your but2e. तो ये आपका सिमेट्रिकल अल्कीन है। सवाल उठता है कि ये सिमेट्रिकल अल्कीन कैसे? क्योंकि डबल बॉन्ड जो कार्बन आप देख रहे हो, उस डबली बॉन्डेड कार्बन पे number of hydrogen is equal. But if I write of this type CH3, CH2, CH, CH2, now this compound is your but1e. तो यहाँ जो आपका डबली बॉन्डेड कार्बन है, आप देखिए यहाँ नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन सेम नहीं, यहाँ पे 2 हाइड्रोजन है, मीन्स हाइड्रोजन इज मोर, here हाइड्रोजन इज लेस. So this alkene is your unsymmetrical. Now why I am introducing this point? Because you know if the alkene is unsymmetrical, then the addition of hydrogen halide will follow Markovnikov rule. और अगर सिमेट्रिकल है तो फिर मार्कोनिकॉफ रूल की जरूरत नहीं है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई राइट प्रोपीन विच इज एन अनसिमेट्रिकल अल्कीन, if I write propene, that is CH3CH double bond CH2, so this is your propene. If you add say HCl or HBr, then the addition of HCl, which is your hydrogen halide, ये HCl क्या है? ये हाइड्रोजन halide, तो it will take place according to the Markovnikov rule. भाई मार्कोनिकॉफ रूल क्या कहता है? तो मार्कोनिकॉफ रूल कहता है कि निगेटिव पार्ट ऑफ द एडेंडम, एडेंडम मींस जो चीज ऐड होने जा रहा है, तो ऐड क्या होने जा रहा है? HCl, दैट इज योर HX, उसका निगेटिव पार्ट। तो व्हाट इज द निगेटिव पार्ट ऑफ HCl? नेचुरली इट इज क्लोरीन, बिकॉज़ हाइड्रोजन इज पॉजिटिव, क्लोरीन इज नेगेटिव। सो निगेटिव पार्ट ऑफ द एडेंडम विल ऐड टू कार्बन, will add to carbon where there is lesser number of hydrogen. तो देखिए lesser number of hydrogen यहाँ, क्योंकि addition तो ही नहीं होनी है, there will not be addition on this carbon because it is saturated. तो यहाँ पे एक हाइड्रोजन है, यहाँ पे 2 हाइड्रोजन है, here there is less hydrogen, here there is more hydrogen. So the negative part of the addendum, that is the chlorine atom, it will attach to this carbon, and then the product is your CH3CHCl CH3. So this product is your major product. your this product is main product or you can say major product. आप डिटेल मार्कोनिकॉफ रूल क्लास 11th में पढ़ चुके हैं कि इसका क्या मैकेनिज्म है. इट इज फॉलोड बाय योर इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एडिशन. That's why I am not going to discuss in detail here. So this product will be your 90% product. However, hardly 10% is your 1-chloropropane. Now, there is one restriction here. The restriction is, if we use HBr, however, addition of HBr, in the presence of an organic peroxide, such as your benzoyl peroxide, will follow anti-Markovnikov rule, and also known as peroxide effect, and also referred as peroxide effect, ये आप क्लास 11th में भी पढ़े हैं. पेरोक्साइड इफेक्ट, एंटी मार्कोनिकॉफ रूल और क्रास इफेक्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, let us suppose if we use this propene and in place of your HCl, if we use your HBr, but there is no peroxide. कभी भी टॉपिक में कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना चाहिए कि सर ने अभी बताया कि HBr लेंगे तो पेरोक्साइड इफेक्ट हो जाएगा. ये तब होगा when there is any organic peroxide. ये आप समझ रहे हैं? But there is no organic peroxide. So in this case, the addition follow Markovnikov rule. इसलिए यहां पे Markovnikov rule होगा, and the negative part of the addendum, that is bromine, it will attach to carbon where there is lesser number of hydrogen. So this is your bromine. So your main product is 2-bromopropane. That is your major product. No doubt 1-bromopropane is also a minor product, hardly 10 to 20%. But ठीक अगर इसके बदले, if you consider propene, this is propene, and if we add HBr, same reaction, but in the presence of your organic peroxide, that is your benzoyl peroxide, now the reverse reaction takes place. कहता क्या है reverse reaction? Now this will follow peroxide effect, or you can say this will follow Markovnikov rule or Markovnikov addition. Anti-Markovnikov. यहाँ Markovnikov नहीं होगा बल्कि क्या होगा? Anti-Markovnikov. Now what is anti-Markovnikov? The negative part of the addendum, that is your halogen, that is bromine mainly, only bromine. It will attach to carbon where there is greater number of hydrogen. Anti-Markovnikov कहता है क्योंकि anti-Markovnikov केवल HBr में ही होगा. इसको गांठ मान लीजिए, कभी कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना चाहिए। एंटी मार्कोनिकॉफ रूल किसी भी हालात में HCl और HI में नहीं होगा। इट विल ओनली इन केस ऑफ HBr and that too in the presence of organic compounds. तो bromine which is your negative part of the addendum, ये उस कार्बन पर अटैच होगा जहां पहले से हाइड्रोजन ज्यादा, रिवर्स means it will attach to this carbon and when your product is CH3, then what will happen? Automatically this hydrogen will attach to this carbon because there is no other option. Now it is CH3, CH2, CH2, Br. So this is your 1-bromopropane. So this 1-bromopropane is your major product, while 2-bromopropane in this case it is your minor product. But no anti-Markovnikov addition in case of HCl as well as in case of your HI. Now, if you so that is from your, you can say, hydrocarbon. Now one more reaction is there. The reaction is from alkene में ही एक और reaction by the addition of halogen, that is X2. Say X is chlorine, but we write Cl2. We write Br. By the addition of X2 to an alkene. So it means it is chlorine, bromine, etc. Addition of halogen X2 to an alkene will give vicinal dihalide. Will give vicinal dihalide. For example, if we write CH2 double bond CH2 and we add chlorine, तो ये जो रिएक्शन है ना, it occurs in your less polar solvent. It occurs in the presence of carbon disulfide or carbon tetrachloride. They are less polar solvent. Water is polar solvent. So what will happen? This is Cl2. Cl2 means this. Both are chlorine. So there is no question of Markovnikov addition. क्योंकि दोनों ही क्लोरीन एटम है और दोनों की इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी सेम है. So there is no question of any such rule. So what will happen? One chlorine will add to this carbon, another chlorine will add to this carbon. Then what is the product? The product is your CH2Cl, CH2Cl. See, this is your vicinal dihalide. Vicinal because halogens are present on adjacent carbon. You know the IUPAC name? It is your 1,2-dichloroethane. It is your 1,2-dichloroethane. Now, in this case, particularly in this case, the addition of bromine is very important. Because addition of bromine to alkene is used to identify unsaturation. Addition of bromine to alkene जो है ये हम लोग टेस्ट में यूज करते हैं कि whether there is presence of double bond or not. Because alkene will decolorize. Alkene will decolorize the reddish orange color of bromine. So how it is used to decolorize the reddish orange color of bromine. For example, this is your alkene, that is ethene. This is bromine. Now the color of bromine is your almost reddish orange. In the presence of less polar solvent, this will form 1,2-dibromoethane. ये क्या बना देंगे? तो ये बना दिया आपको 1,2-dibromoethane. Now this 1,2-dibromoethane is your colorless. ये जो 1,2-dibromoethane आपने देखा, ये क्या है? Colorless. However, this bromine is your reddish orange. So it will decolorize the reddish orange color of your alkene. If it is propene, suppose करिए अगर ये propene होगा CH3CH double bond CH2, and then if you add bromine in the presence of less polar solvent, then what will happen? Your product is CH3CH Br CH2 Br. I hope you know the UPSC name. It is 1,2-dibromopropane. So these are the different methods or process for the preparation of haloalkanes from your hydrocarbon. Now in my next video lecture, I will discuss another methods of preparation of haloalkanes. Thank you.